Hi, I'm Jana Tam. I've been a long-time car enthusiast myself. Very excited to have an opportunity to expose more women to the car community. So I'm here today to pick up my GT3 that I just got a Manthey kit for. Just having a GT3, it is already such a perfect car for me because it combines the ability to take the car and enjoy it every day on the street. As you know, if you want it to be a daily driver, it can be. If you want to take it on long drives, you can. But at the same time, this is the car that I can also take to the racetrack and really find the limits of this car, enjoy its performance. I'm here to get the Manthey kit because I want to see, can we take this to the next level, specifically on the racetrack, but without sacrificing the daily enjoyment that I can have with this car, without making it too much for the street. I've been a customer of Porsche Fremont for many years now. I bought this GT3 from the store and service my cars at the store as well. It's a really great team here at Porsche Fremont. So I was very excited when they became a Manthey certified shop. And I was able to improve the performance of my car and get this kit through Porsche Fremont. A great team here, always just a seamless experience, and really just a great set of folks who are true car enthusiasts themselves. So really fun to always come by and hang out and say hello to this team. The number one thing I think I'm most excited about is all the aerodynamic features, because I feel like this is where Porsche is taking their cars as it is, right? With the introduction of the GT3 RS that is all about improving the aerodynamics of the car. I wanted to see if I can incorporate some of those elements of the aerodynamics into my car, my GT3. So I would recommend getting a Manthey kit because what it does is it makes the car better holistically, right? Because a GT3, it is that great combination of a street car and a race car. It will make the car perform better on the racetrack, but not sacrifice your daily driving on the streets. That's what I was looking for, and that's why I got the Manthey kit. I chose the jade green color for my car because I saw it at the Works reunion at the Monterey Car Week on a 914 Resto Mod. This was in 2021, and when I was just in the process of thinking about ordering a GT3, was thinking about all the different colors, and when I saw the jade green color, really fell in love with it. It is just such a dynamic color. I think it's just perfect for a race car like a GT3, so that's what I went with. Super excited to pick up my car today with the kit on. I feel like I'm almost getting a new car and was already in love with my car. So now to be able to see it all together with all the vibrant colors, a lot of additions of the yellow color, really excited to take it out to the street, give it a try, and then take it out to the racetrack in a couple of weeks.